Welcome back, girls. Now, can you remember what our topic is? Yes, it is famous women or fantastic women. Yesterday we learnt about the adventurous pilot Amelia Earhart. She flew alone across the oceans in her yellow plane. Can you remember what her yellow plane is called? The Canary. So I thought today, now that we have learned all about Amelia Earhart, I thought today would be very interesting if we learnt about the oceans of the world, all the oceans that Amelia Earhart flew over and some that she maybe didn't. Now, oceans, we have the word here, oceans. These are large areas of water and they're different to seas because oceans are much, much bigger. On our planet, planet Earth, there are 5 oceans. Should we learn what they are called? We have the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean, which is sometimes also called the Southern Ocean. So we have the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Right, let's learn a little bit more about our 5 oceans. We know that oceans are bigger than seas, and oceans join continents together. Do you remember when we learnt about the continents? These are the large expanses of land that we have on our planet, and the continent we live in is called, can you remember? Europe. The biggest ocean and the deepest ocean on our planet is the Pacific Ocean. And did you know that the word Pacific means peaceful sea in a very old language called Latin? So the biggest and deepest ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the word Pacific means peaceful sea. And the smallest ocean on our planet is the Arctic Ocean. And the ocean, all the oceans are home to lots of different and incredible sea creatures. And they are so deep, some of the oceans are so deep that the sunlight cannot even reach so far down. So it's really, really dark there, pitch black in fact. So some of the creatures that live there, they don't really need their eyes because they can't really see very much anyway. So they use their hearing to move around instead. So you are going to listen to a few songs and a little bit more information learning about the 5 oceans of the world. And once you have done that and you think you know all of the oceans and where they are in our planet, then you are going to label them on a map of the world. I wonder how many you will remember. We know there are 5. Let's see how many you can remember. And after that, once you have learned all about our 5 oceans and you know where they are on our world map, I think you will be ready for an adventure of your very own. You are going to make and decorate your own paper plane and you're going to send it on a flight across the world. And we're all going to do this. You're going to do this all at home, and I've made a paper aeroplane myself as well. You're going to have some instructions that you will be following, or maybe you already know how to make a very good aeroplane of your own, and that's absolutely fine. So I made one a little while ago. I haven't decorated it just yet, but I was too excited and I wanted to take it for a test flight first. I think my plane is ready for its first adventure. Once we have all practiced flying it, you can fly it in your house or in your garden. You're going to measure how far your paper plane has travelled, and then your mummies and dads will email it to me and we will see whose paper aeroplane has travelled the furthest in our class. Right, I think my plane is ready for its test flight. Right, here we go. Oh, I think I might need to practice a little bit more. Right, that's it for today, girls. Good luck, and I look forward to hearing about how far your aeroplanes travel. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.